Welcome. If you're looking to quickly find all the links shared in a specific Telegram group, you're in the right place. Whether you want to revisit an important article, track down a video, or just keep things organized, Telegram makes it simple with its built-in links feature. Here's how you can view every shared link in any group chat, updated for the latest version of the app. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to your list of chats and find the group where you want to see the shared links. You can scroll through your conversations or use the search bar at the top to locate the group even faster. When you've found the group, tap to open the chat. Now, look at the top of your screen. There you'll see either the group's picture or its name. Tap on this area, and you'll be taken to the group's information page. This is your central hub for everything related to the group, from members to shared content. On the group info page, you'll notice a horizontal list of options. Here, look for the one labeled Links. Tap on it. Instantly, you'll see a neatly organized list of every link that's ever been shared in this group. Each entry will display the link itself, and often a preview or the message it was sent with, making it easy to remember the context. This feature is a real time saver, especially in active groups where messages pile up quickly. Instead of scrolling endlessly through old conversations, you can access all shared links in one convenient place. Just tap any link to open it directly or copy it for later use. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll never lose track of an important link again. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your friends or group members so everyone can stay organized and make the most out of Telegram's features. Happy browsing and see you in the next guide.